Ruth here. I'm with Andrea Williams. She's a registered medical herbalist and she's come to talk to us about Cleavers.
Yes, I have, and it's called Gallium Aparine is the botanical name. Now it's found in Europe, USA, Australia and New Zealand, and it scrambles among the shrubs, tall grasses and other plants around gardens. And it's that plant that sticks to your rose bushes or your raspberry plants and you're trying to rip it off. That's basically that one. It's frost resistant and drought tender. It's the aerial parts harvested from spring to summer when in flower or fruit. The actions of it is a diuretic, astringent due to the mild tannins in this. It's lymphatic alterative, which means it eliminates waste while restoring and modulating body functions there. I just love this herb. I use it a lot, especially for lymphatic conditions, upper respiratory infections. Cleavers is also used to treat urinary tract conditions associated with pain. Traditionally they used it to treat cancer. So again, it's just another nutritive, wonderful herb that you can use in tonics.
Wow, that's great.
So what do you use it for, Ruth?
Well, I have used it in teas because it's all of its properties. It's been great as a juice, and even though it seems prickly and like it wouldn't be any good, it's actually great. You don't have that yucky taste. So I've used it in pesto.
Oh, right.
Also, you can just use it as a boiled sautéed vegetable, even though, there's plenty of other options, but if you want to up your nutrients, then why not use this?
That's a great suggestion. I like that.
So
what have we got here?
We have some dried cleavers. So I've just washed it and popped it on a plate and just let it dry just with the air. So I'll just give it a little bit longer.
Yeah.
And then I'll pop it in a jar and then I can use it throughout the year as a tea, because obviously you can't use it all year round.
No, that's right. Yeah.
Might as well store it for later.
Great thinking, and I love the colour in it. It's looking really, really good. Good job.
Yeah. Oh, thanks for coming in and talking to us about that.
Yeah, it's my pleasure. I really enjoy it.